Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is our online class. We're going to introduce the course in this class. We're going to talk about some of the important components in this course and some rules as well. So as you can see here, this is the home page of the course website on e-learning. You see my name and my office hours and my email. And a few important sections here, like course description, objectives, policies, and important dates. If you go ahead and click on course description, you'll be able to see a short description of this course. As you can see, this course is going to teach you some important aspects and concepts related to translation technology. On the other section, which is course objectives, you're going to also read the objectives and the goals behind teaching this course. And one of the most important things is to demonstrate professionalism within the context of language or translation industry. So we're trying to develop your skills when it comes to freelancing and becoming a translator in this world, in this digital age, let's say. As you can see here, we have important dates, and here's a list of the important dates, such as the first assignment and the second assignment, the first exam and the second exam, and so on and so forth. Okay, the course is also divided into weeks. We have in week 1, we're going to have like an introduction to the course objectives, and the anatomy of an assignment, how to submit your assignments. The second week, we're going to discuss the art of composing professional emails. As you can see, here are some slides to read, which will explain to you this section. The second section is going to be on using Yarmouk email, the one that you have in your SIS system. You can just browse the slides and you'll be able to learn how to send an email, which is something that we're going to do step by step soon. We're going also to cover these things. In the third week, we're going to talk about translation and the digital age and translators and technology. We're going also to have like a question, so everybody's going to answer the question online. And I'm not going to accept any other ways of submitting your answers. I mean, you have to submit your answer to the system here. I read it and I give you a grade on this. We're also going to talk about Microsoft Office, some important functionalities for translators, and you're going to have an assignment here. Then we're going to cover things related to PDFs and how to manipulate PDFs. We're also going to talk about some of the computer-aided translation tools. And then, as you can see, whenever you have an exam, it tells you, hey, stop, there's an exam here on this date. So this is the week of the first exam, and so on and so forth. So each section represents a week, and in every section there are few points that we're going to cover. And when you see a folder like this one, it means that this folder has some information. You have to check them out. And same thing, here is the second exam date, and we're going also to talk about machine translation, which is something different from computer-aided translation. And finally, we're going to create translator CV. We're going to teach you how to create CV for translators. And we're going also to create a personal website for you guys. So everybody's going to have his or her website. And finally, we're going to have a wrap-up, and we're going to discuss the steps of how to become a translator in the digital age. I hope everybody is excited, and I hope you'll get to learn some of the new stuff related to translation technologies and translation market. I'll leave you with a website. Please check it out and let me know if you have any questions. You can email me using this email, and we can always meet in person. If you have any technical problems, just let me know. Good luck.